afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome back to Madi Sean. And today, again, I am arriving the place called Waterfall of Preah Nimit, which is located in Preah Vihear Province, and it shares the border between Preah Vihear and Stuent Treng and Laos border. In front of you here is a very beautiful waterfall, but at this time of the year the water not very fresh and not so clear much due to the big current of the flow. And I am walking down right here to get you close to the fall, so you can see the Mekong water that flowing into the big pieces of stones down there, and it just created the most amazing view. Wow, look at that. The rock or the stones, it is such big pieces, and wow, I only have the word wow. I mean, I could just not describe by using this small phone camera to tell you how beauty of this place, how amazing of this place, and how amazing of this waterfall. Wonderful. Wow.